If you want the floor of any healthcare or field service conference right now, there's one topic of conversation that sort of dominates a lot of them, which is AI. Every vendor has an AI story, and there's this massive hype that AI is some sort of magic bullet that's going to take a 3-hour instrument resolution time and turn it into nothing. I think we need to probably address the reality a little bit more. I don't believe it will. I'm Stuart from Envoke, and today I want to talk to you about the gap between AI hype and operational reality in labs and field service. Whenever a new technology appears, there's always a concern that it's going to replace human jobs, but often what it actually does is change how people work. An example I want to do is, let's think about Sat Nav. It can tell you exactly where to go, turn left, turn right, reroute, but it doesn't teach you how to drive. It doesn't give you awareness, judgment, or experience. And AI pretty much works the same way. It's interpreting information. It can guide you. It can surface the right information faster, but it still relies on somebody who knows how to execute. AI isn't replacing your senior techs. Your field service engineers is just a tool, a co-pilot, not an autopilot. I think the real issue is that we keep confusing information with competence. If a field service engineer needs to search a 500-page manual to understand an obscure error code, an AI co-pilot can surface that instantly. That is genuinely valuable, but information isn't competence. AI can tell you what a nut and bolt is, but it can't teach you how to screw it together. Knowing which component has failed doesn't give you the spatial awareness, workflow, understanding, or muscle memory needed to fix it safely. AI can tell you what needs to happen, but the human still has to know how to do it. There are two big hurdles the AI magic bullet crowd tends to ignore. First is the data. You can't feed decades of poorly structured service manuals and outdated PDFs into an AI model and expect perfect answers. It's garbage in, garbage out. You end up with a very fast system that is confidently wrong. AI needs clean, structured data to actually work. Second, the hardware bottleneck. Even if AI gives you the right answer instantly, you still need to practice the physical fix, and you can't do that on live revenue generating instruments with running patient samples. So where does AI actually become powerful? When you pair it with other technology, something like a digital simulation. Imagine an AI co-pilot diagnosing a problem and then immediately launching a simulation of the exact instrument and telling you how to fix it. The technician gets the answers and then practices the fix. Even on their journey to the fix, they can be doing this. It builds confidence. They make mistakes safely, all without touching a live machine. AI on its own won't solve a hardware bottleneck, but AI combined with other tools like a digital simulation, that's how you finally make training scalable. We've published a deeper dive into this and the way training has to evolve. I'll drop a link in the comments, give it a read, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next one.